Stay with me and make this beautiful carnivore Dutch baby. Hi everyone, my name's Caitlin. I'm a holistic nutrition consultant and the author of a blog called grassfedgirl.com. I've been healing my Hashimoto's for over 10 years and I bring you recipes and tips to help with the carnivore diet. Today we're gonna be making a carnivore Dutch baby. I'm so excited, it's gonna be delicious. It's like a pancake. It has its roots in Germany. So make sure and stay all the way to the end to see this carnivore Dutch baby. Pretty simple. You're just gonna need 4 eggs. You're gonna need some salt. You can use half and half or heavy cream. Also gelatin. This is something good to keep in your pantry all the time for recipes and coffee and stuff like that. This one's a little expensive, but it is great for recipes, and it is the Keto Chow egg white powder. So you can use any egg white powder. Another one is J-Rob. That's another one that's popular. So you need some egg white powder, about a 1/4 cup. Baking soda is a good ingredient. That will help this rise a little bit. You'll want some butter for greasing your pan and also for serving. As far as cooking equipment, you need a 8-inch cast iron pan and also a immersion blender, or you can use your real blender, whatever you have. You can put some butter in the pan before you put it into the air fryer. We're going to heat up our cast iron pan in the air fryer. So you want to push bake for about 15 minutes on 420. You want to make this a little sweet, you can put some glycine. I know it's kind of out there, but this is a really good ingredient. It is an amino acid, so it's carnivore. If you want more of like a keto version, you can put a little vanilla and 4 packets of stevia and not use the glycine. Now we have everything measured out, so let's just put our eggs in. 4 eggs. This is our cup of heavy cream, or half and half. This is about a 1/2 teaspoon salt. Got about a 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. Here's your tablespoon of gelatin. And then this is your egg white protein. And now is the time to add your glycine if you're using it to add a little sweetness. 2 tablespoons. Now I've got my stick blender and I'm just gonna blend it all up. Now you can see it's all mixed up. Got the pan out of the oven. It's very hot. And we're just gonna pour our mixture in there. And the butter got a little brown, but it's still gonna be yummy. Okay, now I'm just gonna put it back in. It's hot. Woo! So hot. You can see it's in there now. And it's gonna cook about 15 minutes on 425. You may be wondering about the history of the Dutch baby. It looked like it was made in the 1900s, early 1900s in Seattle, at the Manka restaurant in Seattle. And one of the daughters may have called it a Dutch baby, meaning to say like Deutsch baby, which is Germany. So it has German origins, kind of like a popover. It's just a way to cook a pancake where you don't have to stand at the stove and cook like 20 pancakes. And if you're a mom, you know that that's really time consuming and tiring. So this is a way you can feed everyone. I made this several times for my 3-year-old and he loved it so much. And he asked for pancakes all the time. And I try to make healthy versions for him. So it's a fun thing to do as a family if you have a day where you don't have to rush off. In case you're wondering what the carnivore diet is, it's a diet where you only eat animal products like meat, eggs, fish, and anything that comes from those. So it is a great diet if you're wanting to heal inflammation or autoimmune disease, or you have IBS or something like that and you want to heal from it. It is a great way to stay full all the time if you're wanting to lose weight, build muscle, and eat more protein. I wanted to mention is that this recipe is 0 carbs. So if you're doing carnivore to cut carbs, this is a great recipe for you. A lot of my favorite products are down in the description box in my Amazon shop. And I also have affiliate links for other products. It now starting to rise up. So cool. It really puffing up there. Cook times can vary, so check it at 10 or 12 minutes to avoid burning. I just took it out. Look at that. So pretty. You can see it unpuffs so quickly. So There you go. That's a Dutch baby. Okay, it's out of the oven and it's unpuffing very quickly, but you get the idea. It is all done and we are gonna eat it. So we'll just kind of go around and try to get it up. Just kind of loosen it from the sides a little bit. All right. Okay, so let's take the first bite. Hot. And so yummy. You can make this savory or sweet. Definitely make this at home and let me know in the comments how it goes. And remember, all the ingredients as far as sweeteners or glycine or any of that is optional. So you can make it savory or sweet, happy as you want, however you like it. Thank you so much for watching my video all about a Carnivore Dutch baby. I will put the full recipe down below. Get my carnivore ebook. It's 182 pages, all about how to do the carnivore diet the right way. And I really appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time. Please subscribe, share with a friend. Thank you so much. Leave a thumbs up.